Welcome to Kiddo Knowledge. Today we learn about parts of body. So let's start. Face. This is face. Nose. This is nose. Eyes. These are eyes. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. Ear. This is ear. Hand. This is hand. Hairs. These are hairs. Mouth. This is mouth. Chin. This is chin. Eyebrow. This is eyebrow. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Elbow. This is elbow. Finger. This is finger. Nail. This is nail. Legs. These are legs. Neck. This is neck. Now let's see one by one. Hair, eyebrow, hands, legs, chin, teeth, finger, ear, knee, eyes, tongue.